Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the battery percentage showing on your Raptor 5G device. So, at first you need to open the settings. Here tap battery and make sure that this thing is enabled. If it's enabled and it doesn't work, try disabling it and enabling it back again. This should work for you, but if it isn't, you need to go and search for the alternatives. It may sometimes be a bug, and if you don't have the software update, you can't fix it. As a last resort, you can do a factory reset, but we can do some other way. And first, open the Play Store and tap search. Here in the search bar, you need to search for the battery widget and search. Here, as you can see, we do have battery Widget Reborn, percent level plus, etc. Let me, for example, install this first one, Widget Reborn. Tap install over here. And tap open right here. Here, as you can see, you can tap consent, you have to tap consent, and tap, for example, start automatically. Tap add widget over here, tap battery widget, add to home screen, and now, as you can see, here we do have our battery widget that this is 68%. And as I said, you can do a factory reset as a last resort, but I don't recommend doing it. Just wait for a software update and update your phone. If it still doesn't work after the factory reset and after these whole things, you need to contact device support because your device is broken and the battery sensor is not working. And just, yeah, that's it. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.